What's up, guys? You already know. It's that dude, Jerry. We back at it again. Obviously, I'm putting it back on because I didn't record anything when I pulled it off. I didn't think to pick up the GoPro. So right now, I got this engine support bar, and I'm pulling up the transmission with this. I kind of get it the same level. As soon as I get it to the same level, I'm going to be putting in those 17 millimeters all over the bell housing. Just looking to see how I'm going to be able to fit it. So I'm going to go underneath, lift it, and get the shaft to line in with the pilot. So right here I'm wiggling it, trying to get it to line up. Seems like I got it. So I'm going to put the 17 millimeter bolts in. Now they're snug. So here I'm going to get the passenger transmission mount bolt shoved in so I can tighten it up and remove the jack and let the motor mount support itself. Didn't record it, but 2 bolts was the starter.
Now, I can relieve the pressure from the jack. Now she ain't going nowhere.
Now right here I'm tightening up the T-bracket. 2 19s, a 17, and you're good to go. So I'm going to speed it up. In case you're wondering, I left the shift linkage all attached to the transmission, so all I had to do is just lift it up, line it up, and put it back in. Obviously, I don't need to explain myself what's going on here. Putting on wheels, lug nuts, and then I'm going to put on the 32 millimeter axle nuts when the wheels are on already. Pretty simple. Then I lower the car down, but like I said, forgot to record and then show you guys the test drive. So I guess next time